Hello students, here we are going through with the chapter number 1, Introduction to HTML for Standard 10. Let's start with this chapter. First, introduce. I want to give some introduction about the HTML to you. For that, I have the same textbook in my PC. We can see the HTML is kind of markup language. A markup language is a set of tags that enables additional information on how to present the web content. HTML files are text files that contain additional formatting markup information in the form of tags along with its content. The HTML is the most popular markup language and it offers fixed set of tags. HTML is derived from the SGML, Standardized General Markup Language, which was developed by International Organization of Standards ISO in 1986 to facilitate the sharing of machine readable documents. And HTML is thus a combination of content to be displayed on a web page using browser and tags that helps in guiding the presentation of the content. Without such building block codes, it is impossible to display content on the web page. This makes HTML coding compulsory utility for web pages creation, interpretation and presentation. It means friends, HTML is only used to design your web page. It is not for the coding, it is not for the database. This is just a code which help you to create the design of your web page, right? Now let's start with some easy practical for the same HTML. I am here for that. First you have to start Notepad to write your code, because the code of HTML is always written in Notepad, right? So open Notepad. As we have discussed in our theory videos, the first tag is always HTML and the closing tag of HTML is /HTML. Between this HTML and /HTML, the main and the basic tag is body and the closing tag of body is /body. But if you want to give some title for your page, so for that you have to write the code tag title. The closing tag of title is /title. Here you can write your practical name. I am writing here practical 1. It is rainbow, right? So now let's start with writing some code. Here friends, I have to explain you some basic heading tags. So you can use H1 to H6 tags accordingly to your requirement. For example, I am explaining you each and every heading tags using this practical so that you can easily understand what is the difference between each heading tags, right? So I am just copied it. It is very fast process. Now change the number. It is H2. It is now H3. H3. It is now H4. H5. Friends, whenever you move from H1 to H6, your fonts getting smaller. It is the reverse process. Normally when we move from number 1 to 6, we think that the size of font will be increased, but here you can see the size will be decreased. So please keep in mind this. Whenever you move from H1 to H6, your font size is always getting decreased, right? So let's see the difference between H1 to H. Here I am writing the same word for each and every heading tag. so that you can understand. After getting your output, you can easily get the idea that what is the difference between each heading tag, right? So see here, the code is over for this practical H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. These all are heading tags by which you can give fixed size accordingly to your requirement for your content. Now friends, here I want to explain one more tag for you, that is paragraph tag. So for paragraph, as the name suggests, this tag is used to arrange your content in a paragraph format, right? So I am writing here tag P, and the closing tag of paragraph is /P, and here I have some ready-made content for this practical. So see, I have copied and then paste it over here. After this, the practical is over now, so kindly save your practical with the name whatever you want. This is practical 1, so I am giving the same name, practical 1. You have to give the extension for HTML program with .html, so I am writing .html after the file name, right? After writing this, save on the desktop. Now it's time to execute the program. So for that, here you can get your practical number 1. You can see whenever you double click on your practical, it will directly move to the browser and you can see the output of your practical. So it is now working, so please wait. So student, it is very easy practical for chapter number 1. See students, as we have written in our practical, in our code, so this is the first rainbow word, which is the output of H1. The second one is the output of H2. The third one is the output of H3. The fourth one is the output of H4. The fifth one is H5, and the last one is the output of H6. So you can see, as we have discussed, that whenever you move from H1 to H6, your fonts will be decreased. So this is the difference between of H1 to H6 tags. And lastly, you can see the output of this sentence, it is formed in the paragraph just because of the use of paragraph tag. So I think this is the introduction practical for HTML, and it is understandable for each and every one of you. So we will move on the next video. We will start with some basic practicals for beginners, right? So thank you very much students. We will meet again in chapter number 1 with different videos. Thank you very much.